To view or update your company information in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Settings window. All your company's information appears in the sections at the right side of this page. Click the Edit link in any section, or on the logo, which looks like a pencil icon, to edit its settings or content. After editing or entering any information within a section, click the Save button in the respective section to save the changes. Then, click the X button in the upper right corner of the Settings window to close it when you are finished. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.